A lung cleanse helps detoxify and cleanse the delicate respiratory linings of the bronchial passages and lungs, which often have an accumulation of environmental toxins, harmful organisms, and irritants. Cleansing the lungs is not a particularly elaborate task. You can easily do it with some home remedies paired with lifestyle and dietary changes. 6 ways to cleanse and detoxify your lungs. Number 1. Lung cleansing foods. Foods you eat may affect the health of your lungs. A healthy diet stimulates the body's natural cleansing mechanisms and strengthens the immune system. Start your day with a glass of lemon water and make sure you drink an ample amount of clean water throughout the day. Proper hydration facilitates the cleansing process. Eat foods rich in vitamin C such as grapefruit, kiwis, bell peppers, oranges, tomatoes, strawberries, broccoli, and pineapple. Include antioxidant-rich foods like garlic, onion, ginger, oregano, turmeric, apples, and green tea in your diet. Eat folate-rich foods such as lentils and black beans. Opt for healthy fats such as coconut oil, olive oil, avocado, nuts, and seeds. Number 2. Ginger. Ginger is effective to detoxify your lungs because it contains several chemical compounds that help the lungs function more effectively by eliminating pollutants from the air passages before they irritate the lungs. It also improves blood circulation. Drink 3 to 4 cups of ginger tea daily to enjoy strong lungs. To make the tea, boil 1 teaspoon of sliced grated ginger in 1 or 1½ cups of water. Allow it to simmer for 10 minutes. Strain and add a little lemon juice and honey for taste. Also, include raw ginger in your cooking. People who take heart or high blood pressure medications should avoid taking ginger in excess. Number 3. Steam therapy. Steam therapy is one of the best ways to cleanse your lungs. Inhaling water vapor opens the air passage and helps the lungs to drain mucus. As the problem of air pollution increases during winter due to the slow movement of the wind, the smoke and fog become stagnant near the ground, forming smog and increasing pollution levels. It is good to take steam therapy every day for cleaning your congested air passage. Inhaling water vapor can help breathe easily within a short period of time. Number 4. Honey. Honey has antioxidants, antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory properties, which helps to clear lung congestion. This liquid gold natural sweetener has been used since ancient times to soothe lung irritation and treat various respiratory conditions including asthma, tuberculosis, and throat infections. Having a spoonful of raw honey every day can be quite beneficial for your lungs. Number 5. Peppermint. Peppermint is another good option for cleansing your lung. Peppermint and peppermint oil contain menthol that helps relax and smooth muscles of the respiratory tract. This promotes effortless breathing and helps clear symptoms of any upper respiratory congestion. For strong lungs, chew 3 to 5 peppermint leaves each day. To treat congestion, add a few drops of peppermint oil to a pot of hot water and inhale the steam. You can also drink 2 cups of peppermint tea daily. To make the tea, add 1 teaspoon of dried peppermint leaves to a cup of hot water. Cover and steep for 10 minutes. Number 6. Exercise. Staying in good physical shape is essential for providing oxygen to all your organs and your overall health. It helps to deal with your cravings by postponing it even an hour after the physical efforts. It also releases endorphins, commonly called the feel-good hormones. They relieve pain and generate feelings of pleasure. The Department of Health and Human Services recommends the following: 150 minutes per week of moderate aerobic activity that can be swimming, walking, and gardening. 75 minutes per week of vigorous aerobic activity or strength training that can be jogging, biking, dancing, or playing soccer. Make sure your home is clean. Remove dust from the carpet, shelves, books, and other objects. Plant some good air purifying indoor plants like peace lily, bamboo plants, spider plants, and aloe vera.